friggin' rights, boys. Nice day today. Nice day to check the fluids in the grumman and go for a quick rip. Oh, one thing I wanted to ask you about quick was extending the dipstick tube. If anybody's ever done anything like that. I just cobbled something on there, but if there was some sort of an experienced friggin' level of awesomeness that would make it more cooler than just regular old cobulations, that'd be more awesome probably. Well, hardly any's leaking out, but I don't know. As soon as I don't check it, there'll be none in it. And I'll be okay, a couple modifications, not too bad. Half a day, not too bad. 204, half a day gone. Great, hope you're happy. But yeah, I guess let's go dig a hole or scratch or something. slides out nice.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. I guess it's pretty smooth, huh?
Just guessing. Good Lord. So I'm sick of flipping up the lid on the grumman to check the oil every time, so we're gonna do a little extension there. Just took a Hemi's friggin' Hemi's stick there, and we're just gonna weld it on there, except for we don't have, you know, we got a couple options. What were we doing before?
Oh, we're trying to braze.
Oh yeah, we were trying to braze rod it with a friggin' little propane tank. That don't work. And then so we got this, but we tried just plugging that thing into the wall, and it doesn't have enough megajoules, and I don't have the proper plug. So don't tell Bill. So we don't need the bylaw guy showing up here and friggin' talking over the program, but maybe, I don't know, we'll try to get the shot or something maybe. You never know. Could be a very electrical surprise. It might be awesome.
Maybe we need to plug it in first.
Oh yeah. Safety. I forgot about safety for a minute.
Well, you're being safe. Now this comes the unsafe part.
Yeah.
Plug it in and see what happens.
Yeah. Here. No juice.
Well, I didn't hear anything, so.
No sparks?
No.
Just a couple of good flashes?
Not even. Kind of, man. Like, ooh.
Yeah. That's her.
That definitely worked now.
Yeah. So that seems pretty odd.
Oh, in a good way?
Well, no, I don't.
Grounding out right now?
This combination is just.
It's like a fucking full gun. There we go.
Too much.
I think,
She's stuck on there.
I don't know, on this side maybe it was grinding out.
No, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Like that bolt and train well.
Yeah.
Break. Well, that's handy. I have no way of checking the oil in my truck now. Hope you're happy. Well, guys. Oh dear. Back from another road trip. Oh shit. I had 200 and... Oh, I shut it off. 230... 2343. 2343. 2 more kilometers, got 2345. But yeah, gonna change the aerials again. I did two runs of the break-in oils. We got 2,000 some odd kilometers onto it now. It's been it was 5 o'clock 2 Fridays ago. I got this on the road. It's 7 o'clock 2 Fridays later. 2 weeks. 2 weeks we got a whole bunch of kilometers onto it. I love driving this thing. It's freaking awesome. Big time. I wasn't sure how awesome it was gonna be, but it's pretty awesome. So there you go. But yeah, we'll change the aerials there and then get her going for another 5,000 or so. It'll be awesome. But I'm starving big time, so I gotta go. I just mustard McCigarted my camera. I didn't realize I'd schmig on me. Where's a rag? Where's a rag? Oh, boys. This is not good. Oh, not that. I wasn't talking about that. That was really good. Oh, here it comes again. Oh, good Lord. So there's like thrice things. Pump the thing up one time. We filled the aerials up to above the red line. And see, she's getting below the dot. I mean, just well below the dot, and it was well above the dot. Well, there's where all the oil went, which is where it's supposed to go, except for holy shit, that's just puked all the oil out at one time. I got an air leak, so it's bleeding off something terrible. And of course, it's right on the solenoid of the stovepipe. See if I can't show you what's going on under here. So that's where the leak is, and it's all plumbed up and wired up and everything. Got some $60 Amazomiums. Check this out. Holy shit.
Almost.
Yeah. But yeah, that's wicked loud. Like belligerent loud. But it's high pitched. Like the Horn Blasters ones are more train horn tone. That's more of a, I don't know. That's more of a locomotive.
Is that what you call it?
Yeah. It's a locomotive horn on this one now there. But yeah, a couple things kind of got to button up, but it's getting on in the dirts, and this took all day, and we wired up some other shit too, and some stuff, this and that. But other than that, extended the friggin' dipstick so you can check the oil from under the hood. Yeah, and that's it. There's the switch right there, button. Decent. Fuck yeah, we should go for a rip. Go for a rip and friggin' sunt, eh? Sunt some dicks. What happened? The air leak is like almost fixed. Got the line run for the gauge in the cabin, but need more fittings. Of course, don't have enough fittings. Extended my oil into the guy. Scores! Yeah! Fucking skidders are getting me terrible. It's pretty late for sunting in the neighborhood though. We'll wait until we're on our way home, I think. Starts kissing out right away. Yeah, I think my level's just way too high because, like, center's like there. So, like, I mean, holy shit, how much do we need it? You know what I mean? But we'll run the ball sack off her. If she blows up, we got more pumps and parts. But yeah, we should take it for a rip and see how the center works. Hey, we'll have to get some outside shots maybe tomorrow or something. We'll friggin', oh buddy, push it in. Oh, that was nothing. That one earlier, man, I wish I had that one on a movie. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, here's more. Oh,
That was close.
that, there was pieces in that for sure. Definitely pieces.
I think so.
Yeah. Where's my change of shorts? Where's my change of shorts? That's disgusting. Yeah, but see what happens? My little setup here is pukes. Pukes Earls. We should I don't know if that's gonna have, yeah. I don't know, the pressure's from here over, so that shouldn't have pressure in it. Two cigarettes.
I was about to ask how much.
Oh, there you go. 2 cigarettes. It'll be awesome. Yeah, it's really not that much, I guess. It's a couple ounces. I probably got 24 ounces in there, and it needs 6. You know what I mean? So, whatever. A little extra. A little extra. Never hurt nothing. Lubricate the system. We were just lubricating the system. Just lubricating the system, that's all.
Yeah, that's what fish oil is supposed to do too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's a different
I don't know,
different
if
system.
It's oil, it's what it's supposed to do, right?
Yeah.
It's like bleach is supposed to do, kill COVID.
Yeah, I wish I thought this through a little better myself personally, but whatever. Man's awesome. What happened?
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
It's fucking awesome. Okay, I think we're ready for a test. Test for ready. Oh yeah, I put this thing on here too. You're fucking up, Jim. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. coming. My motorhome. Yeah, your motorhome. Nice and warm for you.
Smell that. Right there. Smell right there? Oh, you have to smell the backseat then.